paya phano dinini result noroni talikhawo noroni history wo dinini yagulo sijaka Norok asik kosto khlai asik sa jorar woi Norok de oro sopaika Noroni talent bai Noroni phan bai Noroni sirungmung bai Noroni rehearse bai Norok tini oro sopaika Sini EMs sini MDCs tai sini former EM botong Borobo Joto khakali nak sabno nariga result aba haino nongkhorka semi-finale wo khorok tham taingui norok oro khorok sajona norok sopeka khorok ba tongna jaga wo norni kepal kaham tini or result no announce kaisinai but before that sini baji ready to norok joto ready na Are you ready? Thank you. And the result is Tolani Bukakti Gang Changsinai. Mehli Deverma on the stage, please. Ingkai, ang tabuk, nungin hartinai, sini buskango, MDC, Uma Shankar, sini buskango, sini bukuk mehelino, diri a shokatno, yafarna bagi. Position or runner Bukuk Mehli Bo sixth position sung by Baksake competition round grand finale sixth position Bo Paika. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, Mehli on the sixth position. Sing Joto Yapa Khwlainani, please. Man kai sing Chibuchiri Khwlainani. Boni Logio. Boni check. Boni check Yapar Zangai. Boni check Bo Yapar Zangai. 5,000 rupees check. Thank you so much, Mehli, for that wonderful competition put forward in grand finale. Next, fifth position. Are you ready? Taitongo, Nornibuskango. Contestants, are you ready? Fifth position of Haika, Bukuk, Ishita, Tipra. Thank you. So Joto Yapa Khwlainani, please. And Bono Yapar na bagai, Beni Sokar no Yapar na bagai, Ang Nungui na harnai, MLA Pathanlal Jamatia on the stage. Sing Joto Yapakolen, please. Borni bagay. Takok tay bukuk song. On the fourth position. Belaike Wansung Mani Yagulo. Belaike tough competition Yagulo. Fourth position of Saklaikha. Tie. Semi-finale wo Khoroktam tie rakha. Khoroktam equal marks be bar phaika. But finale wo Khwrwngwi fourth round of Saklaikha. So let me announce the names. Priya Jamata on the stage, please. Next, may I call upon Basrang Tipra on the stage, please. May I now call upon the Chief Legal Advisor, Dr. Mohan Jamatia on the stage, please. And CEO of TTAADC, CK Jamatia on the stage, please, sir. Borok Chini, fourth position of Saklaikha. Borok Khwnani Bising Saman numbers Mama Bagay, Borok Tayo Saklaikha. Sing Joto Yapakolen Born Bagay, please. And Takot tay bukuk song. Tabog ang non nibus kango announce Khwlainani dongo. The second runners-up. Second runners-up mane third position of ni jago. Bonibong nang tabog non nibus kango announce Khwlainani. Let me call upon Miss Juspita Tipra on the stage, second runners-up. May I now call upon the EM of TTAADC ICA Department, Suhail Tipra on the stage, please. Dai, Bonnie, check amount of rupees 25,000 along with a guitar. Balaika hambay. Duglayo ito sa Hinoy Thang Pinay. Sini, first runners-up. Oh. Bukuk Sushmita. Bukuk Sushmita nini trophies. Bas kango Yaparzaka, Sini EM ICA Department and Sports Nibising TK, Suhail Tipra. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome the first runners-up of tonight's event and a very tough competition to the winner is Sabo Saidaman. Ready? Sabo. Baksani tik panang imano. Baksani enya panang imano. But Sing Joto Yapakolen Joto Chirikolen. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rahel Kalo on the stage, please. This is the first runners-up. Rahel Kalo on the stage. Bono ya pana bagai ang koinai. Sini TTAAD sini ngai EM Fishery Rajesh Tipra. Balaika hambay. Kaisa trophy. Logiwo 50,000 rupees check amount. 50,000 rupees. Boni Logiwo Kaisa guitar. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our first runners-up. Check amount to rupees 50,000. And nong nibuskango ang tabuk sini final winner no announce taina nai tongo phiaba winner nang sekang tubuklak puilang nung inahanay sini TTAA di sini CEM Purno Chandra Jamatia stage of Hanabagi sir please. And now, that final round. The final round is Rupees Tipra on the stage, please. The winner of TTAADC presents Tipra Idol Season 1. Guys, a trophy, guys, a guitar, Logiwo, guys, a scooty tie, 1 lakh rupees amount of check, and a scooty. Sing Joto ya Khwlainani na bin bagay. And this is history. From today on, second edition ni bagay, takot ay bohsong, Norok Joto ready datong. Sing Tipra Idol Season 2, Dewey Zain High, Painik Halo, sing Tubi Pai Pinay. Takot ay bohsong, Norok Joto na hambay, Norok sing may baksa, dini Palika, tay sini contestants no Norok, belay ke support like ka.